Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we are talking about the electric balloon pump. This is amazing. It does come in a bunch of different colors, so don't be surprised if you're looking at one that's pink or blue, or in my case I got a purple one. They're all the same. They are all 600 watt max pump machines, and they are very easy to use. There is a trigger switch on one side of it. There is a latch, so if you don't have your power cord right away, just open up the door and you'll be able to get your power cord out of there. And it makes it very safe and easy. You can close that door back up again. And on the bottom, they put rubber feet on it, so this way it gives you some traction and it's not going to skid around. The unit kind of standard comes with these two adapters, which gives you a longer reach. So it doesn't matter what type of balloons you're using, or if you're using a foil balloon, you'll be able to use the attachments or just straight off the pump. Now the pump is set up to constantly blow air out of both of these guys at the same time, but you do have an option on how to turn it on. I can either trigger it by actually having the switch in the off position, and as soon as I push on this, it's on. Now, if I want to have them both come on all the time and stay on, then all you do is hit the switch. And now that's permanently on. Remember, it doesn't matter if I press this or turn on the switch, air will come out of both these. It's as simple as this. All you need to do is take your balloon, and that's it. That's all you need to do. It's not more complicated than that. As an actual pump motor goes, it's going to be just as loud as, let's say, a hairdryer, or if you have one of those, handheld, vacuums that you can clean up messes around the house. It's going to be about that noisy. It's not loud. You don't need to wear earplugs with it, of course. I mean, that's your choice. And it's super simple to use. Again, if I do this, or if I decide I want to do both, I can put this guy down when I bring this on. It's that simple. I mean, that's how you fill up balloons. I mean, it couldn't get any easier than that. So we've actually had ours for a long time, several years now. It's been around for a while, and they just work. We use it all the time whenever we're having any special events. This is what we take out. Of course, our balloons are always either green and purple. That's our color. But outside of that, the machine just works every single time. Fast and easy. The accessory options, if you look, these things come bundled all different ways. So if you're looking for a package with a whole bunch of accessories that are useful and handy to have, by all means have a look. This is always a great place to start when you're looking for an actual balloon pump. I mean, why use a manual one that'll take forever, or just try blowing them up yourself? It doesn't matter if you want to blow up one balloon or 100 balloons. This is going to do the job for you. Like I say, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you in your buying decision today. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.